Unboxing. Unwrap. Are you sick of the wheel of Temus? Are you sick of the scamish kind of feeling when you get through the app? Maybe you won 100, 200, $5 million, and then you find out that there's fine print that you didn't win anything. Well, I got a surprise for you. Some good news for a change.
Yay!
Found something, and it came in. I'm actually pretty happy about it, and I'm going to share that with you today. Check this out. Now, there isn't much of an unboxing experience. It was kind of like tear this open, get rid of it, and unboxing. Unwrap.
Yay!
And that was disturbing. And you have this. It has little kind of tent pole snap togethers. 4 of those. And 4. These are about 16 inches across with a 10-inch opening and about 6.5 inches or so thick. Now in this little bag also came these 4 Velcro straps, and they go across the back. That way you can fit the softbox to your panel lights. I have the newer 480. There's also the newer 660 LED panel lights that these will fit. I paid $10 for this, not $35 or $40. You may have found this softbox on some brand sites for say $35, $40 a piece, or you can get a 2-pack for about 70 bucks. What a great deal, right? If you want to see this guy in action, check out this example with the hard light by itself. Now see what it looks like with the softbox added. You can see here in this example how the softbox lights the background scene that's right behind me. And you can see how it is with the hard light behind me. Now there you have it, a Temu product that actually is worth looking into. I saved about 30 bucks and I'm actually using it right now. Now if you found any value of this video, make sure you give us a like. We could really use it. Subscribe to the channel. Help us out. I'll see you in the next video.